purpose of today is really to get the students out here to see the possibilities for what the space at North Penn High School can look and feel like for student use after the renovation is done. These kids have used the current space, they've seen what our building looks like and how it operates now, and it's really to get their input on what they want it to look and feel like into the future.
But this whole environment, all the seats, the different designs for seating, they're all they work well, and I feel like they would work really well at North Penn, knowing that everyone fidgets and everyone's different, and each of these chairs are meant for that. They're built for the different people, the ones who like to fidget around.
Well, this building is absolutely amazing. It's so hard not to just want to be I want everything in this building for our school, because it's everything is all comfy and cozy, and I would love to see a lot of these pieces of furniture in our school for our students.
Some of these things I think students would be easily focused, that they'd be able to be comfortable and just enjoy being at school and in class.
I think a lot of teachers on a day-to-day basis might want to change the way their room looks, because if they're giving out a test or something, each kid has to sit individually or working on a project, you'd sit in a group. So I think just having that versatility would be a big impact for most teachers.
So today we got great feedback from our students. We heard a lot about the designs of the classroom and some of the flexible seating. I was really excited to hear how much see the way they responded to the different options, but just see the excitement that, you hear tables and chairs and you think it's not that exciting. They're really excited to see them and excited to hear that they're going to be in our high school.